Hey everyone, it's Robbie here, and welcome to today's video on how to make your finances work for you. 8 steps to financial success. If you're like most people, you probably have financial goals you'd like to achieve, such as paying off debt, saving for a house, or planning for retirement. In this video, I'm going to share 8 practical steps you can take to make your finances work for you and achieve your financial goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your financial goals. The first step to financial success is to define your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Be specific and set achievable targets for your short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Track your income and expenses. To make your finances work for you, you need to know where your money is going. Start by tracking your income and expenses using a budgeting tool or app. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. Step 3. Reduce your debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial success. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit card debt or a car loan, prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating your debt or negotiating lower interest rates to save money on interest payments. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net that can protect you from unexpected expenses or job loss. Aim to save at least 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. Step 5. Start investing. Investing is a powerful way to make your money work for you and build long-term wealth. Consider investing in a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, or a low-cost index fund. Step 6. Plan for retirement. Speaking of retirement, it's important to have a plan in place to ensure you'll have enough money to retire comfortably. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to help you create a retirement plan that meets your needs. Step 7. Protect your assets. Insurance is an important part of any financial plan. Make sure you have adequate coverage for your health, home, car, and other assets to protect yourself from financial risk. Step 8. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Finally, it's important to review and adjust your financial plan regularly to ensure it continues to meet your needs and goals. Life circumstances and financial markets can change quickly, so make sure you're staying on top of your finances. That's it for today's video on how to make your finances work for you. 8 steps to financial success. Remember, achieving financial success is a journey, not a destination. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can make your finances work for you and achieve the financial freedom you've always wanted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so we can continue to send you great varied content. I'll see you in the next video.